Good morning, class. Good morning, students. We are going to talk today about velocity. Velocity can be defined as the ratio of the distance traveled by quantity to the time taken to cover that distance. And velocity can also be considered to be vector quantity. Why vector quantity? Vector quantity is a quantity that has magnitude as well as direction. So when we are dealing with velocity, we are dealing with a quantity that has direction. Velocity, as I said earlier, can be defined as the ratio of the distance covered by a particular object to the time taken to cover that distance in a specified direction. Sometimes velocity is always mistaken to speed. Even though speed and velocity are like the same, they can be used interchangeably. But speed is a scalar quantity. When we are dealing with speed, we are talking about a quantity that has just magnitude. This direction is not attached to it. But anytime we are dealing with velocity, anytime we are trying to describe velocity, we must take into account the direction that quantity or that object is moving. For instance, we can take a look at the four cardinal points: north, south, east, and west. So if you say that the distance traveled by quantity to the time divided by the time taken to cover that distance due east, then we now know that we are talking about velocity. But if you just describe the distance covered by an object to the time taken to cover that distance without considering the distance, whether it's north, whether it's south, whether it's east, whether it is west, then we can say that we are talking about scalar quantity, of which is speed. Thank you.